Introduction 22K Low Competition Affiliate Blueprint. Welcome to my 22K Low Competition Affiliate Blueprint post. In the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate marketing, finding a competitive edge can make all the difference between success and stagnation. The digital realm is teeming with opportunities, but it's also crowded with marketers vying for the same consumer attention. As a result, many newcomers and even experienced affiliates struggle to carve out their niche and achieve sustainable profitability. Featured 22K Low Competition Affiliate Blueprint Proven Method with $181,953 in verified affiliate commissions. From January 1, 2023 August 31, 2023, with just one niche site. Real proof revealed below. No previous experience required. Everything is revealed inside this blueprint with all the exact resources we use, so everything is literally copy-paste. You can deploy the entire system in a matter of days and then manage it with only a few hours per week. On average, our first affiliate commission hits our account within 3 weeks of deploying the system on a new site. We reveal our method for dominating low competition keywords so that anyone can get results quickly. When you copy our strategies, we show you the exact low competition monetization strategy that we use, which also gives us an advantage with even less competition. So you have even better chances for faster results. We show you our exact dummy-proof process to get our sites ranking on page 1 of Google, so you can get all the free traffic you ever need and much, much more. Overview 22K Low Competition Affiliate Blueprint https://jvz8.com/c/2705245/400788/vendor Joshua Zamora et al. Product. The 22K Low Competition Affiliate Blueprint Launch Date 2023 October 24. Launch time 11 o'clock EDT. Front end price $27.47 commission 50% JV page https://2kblueprint.com/jv/affiliate network. Other niche SEO and traffic. What is the 22K Low Competition Affiliate Blueprint? The 22K Low Competition Affiliate Blueprint is an innovative and strategic approach to affiliate marketing designed to help affiliate marketers tap into unexplored and low competition niches to generate consistent income. This blueprint is a game-changing strategy that focuses on quality over quantity, aiming to help affiliate marketers find success without facing fierce competition and oversaturation. In essence, this blueprint is a set of guidelines, techniques, and principles that revolve around niche selection. The blueprint places a strong emphasis on the selection of niches that are not oversaturated with competing affiliate marketers. It provides strategies to identify profitable, untapped niches where you can establish a strong foothold. Research. Comprehensive research is at the heart of this blueprint. It guides you on how to perform thorough market research, keyword analysis, and competitor analysis to understand your chosen niche and its potential for success. Content creation. Quality content is the backbone of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. The blueprint offers insights into creating valuable and engaging content that resonates with your target audience.